everyone, and welcome to Turbo Tips, short practical videos to help you get the most out of TurboCoder 13th edition. So today I'm going to show you how to use Everywhere Search to find pathways to an already known code. So this process is often referred to as reverse coding. The Everywhere Search looks across the index, the tabular, and the coding rules all at once. So by entering a code, whether it's a diagnosis or a procedure, you'll see all the pathways that lead to that code. So let's start with an example. So you note that a coder has assigned O62O primary inadequate contractions, but you note in the progress notes that there's no documentation of the term primary. So you need to check all the other pathways the coder may have followed to assign that code. So you come up here to the search and change that to everywhere. Come into the search box and type in the code O62.0. You can also type in O62O without the point. You'll notice the heat map shows you 8 separate ways you can get to O62O using the index, and there's one hit in the tabular, which is the code. In the navigation frame, you'll see all the pathways to O62O. So to see those pathways, come up here to the search forward button and click forward. It will show you all the pathways to that code and all the lead terms you can use to get to that code, as well as essential modifiers to get to that code. When you reach the tabular, you have clicked through all the options. You can click search backward arrow to review all the options and see the pathways again. Okay, so now let's try a procedure. So say you're scrolling through the tabular and you notice a code that you'd like to get to, 3848800, the TAVI procedure, but you're not sure if you have all the documentation required to assign that code. So you can reverse code the procedure code as well by copying and pasting the code directly into the search box. So if you highlight the code, drag and drop, select everywhere, and click the forward arrow button. You can see here that the navigation frame will show you 3 hits or 3 pathways to that code. So again, come up to the forward arrow button and click through all the pathways to that code. Once you've reached your tabular, you know that you've looked at all the pathways to that code, and you can hit the search backward button to go back and look at the pathways again. And that's it, a quick, easy way to use Everywhere Search in TurboCoder to reverse code both a diagnosis and procedure. If you found this tip helpful, give the video a like and don't forget to subscribe for more Turbo tips.